Masha Allah, Masha Allah, Masha Allah.
Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to do this makeup right here. This is Eid special makeup. So this one is a day makeup look and I think this is very wearable during the day. This look was kind of inspired by Savaria. Whenever I think of Eid, the first thing that comes to my mind, any Bollywood movie, is Savaria because I personally love Savaria. I know you must be thinking that I'm crazy, but I actually love that movie. Also because it has a lot of personal connection, because it's got a lot of personal emotions linked to me. And whenever I think of Eid, the first thing that comes to my mind is the moon and the purity and the simplicity of the moon, how the moon gleams in its own beauty and looks gorgeous. I think not only a girl but anyone looks most beautiful when they are, and by beauty I don't mean society's definition of beauty, I just mean that, you know, a girl looks most beautiful, I mean inside out, when she is really simple, and it's like glorifying in our own beauty, just like the moon. People say that sadgi mein hi khoobsurati hai, so I believe in that, and that is how I see any Eid makeup, and so I created this really simple look. So yeah, so let's get started. So we're going to start with the primer. This one is the Maybelline Master Prime. Since this is a day look, I don't want to go full coverage. So I want it to be somewhat natural yet have a little bit of coverage. So I'm going in with Maybelline Fit Me and Matte Base and Body. So I'm going to bake my under eyes now, taking the Body Shop Loose Powder. Oh my gosh, I forgot to conceal. So I want to conceal now after my powder. Let's see what happens, okay? So I'm taking my Colorbar Full Cover Concealer and I'm gonna conceal my under eyes. Done with concealing. Thankfully, I don't see any difference. So now I will highlight my under eye area with this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. And now going back to the baking. I'm not going to keep the powder under my eyes for a very long time. I'm just going to blend it as soon as I apply it. Now I'm going to set my entire face with this powder. So for my eyebrows, I'm going to use Maybelline The Nudes palette. I'm using this shade. Eyebrows done. So I'm going to start with my eyes. For my eyes today, I'm going to use this lovely Body Shop eyeshadow palette. This one is in the shade Smoky Plum and it's beautiful. It's like amazing palette. I just love all the colors in this palette and it is super pretty. So starting with this eyeshadow in the crease of my eyes. This eyeshadow palette is super pigmented and I'm going really light-handed with this one because I'm going in with a very natural look. So taking a little bit more. So I'm building the color as I need it because I don't want to go like super deep with the colors. So I'm being careful and picking up little color at a time. Okay, so now I'm going to take this shade. This one is a very pretty, what shade is this? This one is a very pretty kind of taupe mixed with a little bit of silver. It's actually a very pretty color. And I'm going to apply this one on my entire eyelid. Oh my gosh, it's such a pretty color. I almost forgot how pretty this is. Oh my gosh, how pretty is this? Oh, by the way, have you seen that Coca-Cola ad, the recent Coca-Cola ad? It's about Ramadan. And it's such a beautiful ad. You know, it shows a girl. She is wearing hijab and she's traveling somewhere in the morning and it's like really sunny. And then she misses her bus and she then walks across the street and everybody's like looking at her from top to bottom, and you know, that judging her kind of look. We will also make fun of her while she's traveling because she's wearing hijab. Then the girl stands near a railing and then there's water and she's enjoying the view and she can see the sun, you know. So she's waiting for the sun to set down and she has her food with her. I think those were dried fruits. I don't know what they were. If you know, please comment down below. So there's this other girl who is jogging and she just looks at her. She instantly knows that the girl wants to eat but she can't. So she was buying a Coca-Cola for herself and then she asked the vendor to give her another one for the girl. So she took both the Coca-Colas and went to the girl and offered her one. The girl in the hijab, she was like, you know, she kind of accepted, but then she was still waiting for the sun to set. The girl who offered her the Coca-Cola, she looked at her and she was like, why? And then she was about to take a sip and then she realized that, you know, she should wait for her. The girl actually waited for her till the sun set, and after the sun set, both of them, they started drinking the Coca-Cola and, you know, talking, and you know, it's such a good vibe. So it stated what unites us is bigger than what divides us. So that is such a good and cool tagline. I love that ad. If you haven't watched it, then you should watch it. I really like ads which make sense and which carries some message with them. Going back with the shade that I put in my crease, I'm going to put it in the outer corners of my eyes. Like, this should be really subtle. Now I'm going to put this shade in the inner corners of my eyes. Putting the same shade on my brow bone. Now I'm going to take my Avon The Glitter Liner and I'm going to line my upper lash line and then smoke it out. Create a very thin line. And I'm not going to wing it out, I'm just going to end the line here. Now taking a small brush, I'm going to smoke it out. Now on top of that liner, I'm going to take this Lakme Eyeconic Kajal. I'm going to line very close to my lash line, so that we can still see the smokiness going on beneath the black liner. Okay, next is the bottom lash line. So for the bottom lash line, I'm going to take this shade, just very lightly line the lower lash line. I'm just leaving the inner third of my eyes and just kind of starting from the middle and then dragging it till the end. Now I'm going to take this Lakme Eyeconic Kajal, it's in the shade Classic Brown. I'm going to apply it in the lower lash line. I'm also going to apply it in the waterline. And then just smudge it. I'm going to take my Maybelline Master Contour Palette and use this shade, the contour shade. For blush, I'm going to use the same palette and I'm going to use the blush shade. So I'm going to curl my lashes, apply mascara and wear falsies, and I'll be right back. All set, looking good. Now I'm going in with the highlighter. For the highlighter, I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate. Okay, now for the lipstick, I'm going to apply this StudioWest lip liner. So I'm just going to line my lips and fill my lips with this. And now on top of this, I'm going to apply Lakme 925 in the shade Toffee Nexus, just in the middle of the lips. I'm actually not happy with the lip color. I want a little bit of pink on my lips, so I'm not gonna go with this one. I think I'm just gonna take it off. It's not looking good, right? Just gonna take it off. I'm gonna go in with this lip liner. This is from Misty. It is in the shade Floral Pink. So much better, right guys? This is my finished makeup look. I hope you liked it, and if you like it, then please hit the like button and share my video and comment on my video. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe, and when you hit the subscribe button, please click on the bell icon so that you'll be notified every time I upload any new video and you don't miss out on any of my videos. And yes, of course, also wanted to wish each and every one of you a very happy Eid. Enjoy and have fun. Okay, so I will see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle. This one is not a nose pin, this one is a bindi.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah, MashaAllah.